Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today guys, we have the most amazing fajitas you will ever eat. And you might be asking yourself, why Ninja? I ate some amazing fajitas already. There is no way you can make it better. And I will tell you this, man. You haven't eaten amazing fajitas until you try some Kagoshima Wagyu fajitas. This is what we're doing today, guys. We're gonna cook these babies and we're gonna make some crazy fajitas here. Let's get into that. Now, let me tell you this, there is not a lot of things you need to make some crazy good fajitas, but fajitas start with the meat. Let's get this meat out of the package because I want you guys to admire this beautiful Wagyu we have here. And as you can see, it comes already cut up and ready for the fajitas. And I decided to go with fajitas because I love fajitas, and the last fajitas video that I made for you guys were not too happy about it. So we're gonna season this beautiful beef really simple. But before seasoning them, I'm gonna teach you a little trick that you should know. So the next time you make fajitas, it's gonna be amazing. All right, so here we have our meat. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in these skewers. All right, guys, to season this meat is gonna be really easy because a good meat only needs salt and pepper. So let's put our salt on it. And let's put some pepper on it. With this baby salted like that, we're just gonna put them in this bowl here, and we're gonna let them be for about 20 to 30 minutes, all right? I want, again, that good meat, that good marbling to suck in a little bit of the spices, and that will make an amazing crust. And now, we also have these amazing shrimps here. And this is something that we're gonna be putting in the skewers too. This is really typical for any fajita, but these shrimps, they come with the little tail still in there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the tail from all the shrimps and throw them away. If you just press here on the back of the shrimp, for a little bit of pressure there, the whole tail come out really easy. And again, guys, it's two skewers because it's a lot easier to manipulate and to work with anything you have thereafter. And here we have our shrimps. In the shrimps, I'm not gonna leave a lot of space. I wanna keep them together as much as possible because I'm gonna be putting some butter right on top, and I don't want that butter to hit the charcoal too much. So that's the only trick that I'm using here, and that's the only thing that you should know. So here we have the beautiful shrimps, they're looking amazing. Now let's get into the sauce, guys, because I told you, if you haven't watched my video about the molcajete, you should watch it right now because we're gonna be doing a lot of amazing sauces in this baby here. And this is what we're gonna be using now to make our sauce that I know you guys are gonna love. So let's put this on the side too. Let's make our sauce. Okay, to make this sauce, the first thing we're gonna use is salt. I'm gonna say a pinch of salt, not too much. We're gonna be using 4 garlic cloves that we're gonna just throw in there. And we're gonna start working with this as it is right now. Now, once you have it like this, like a paste that you can see in your molcajete, let's add, in Spanish it's called tree pepper, that's the translation. I'm not sure what is the name in English, so we're gonna use about 4 of these tree peppers. And we're gonna keep pounding on this. Remember, once you play with the peppers, be careful with your eyes. You don't want to touch your eyes or your face. Once you have it this way, we're gonna add a little bit of red wine vinegar. This is just gonna add a little bit of acid flavor into it. Not too much, about a teaspoon or so. And we also are going to be adding some pepper. Let's get this to the side. Let's add some pepper on it. It does. It smells so good already. And now, on top of that, we're gonna add about 5 lemons. It's gonna be delicious, guys. And the last thing we're gonna add is gonna be a little bit of olive oil. It's gonna give it a good body and a good consistency. I'm gonna put the recipe down there in the description, so make sure you check it out, because this sauce goes really well with any taco or anything related to seafood. This is gonna be really good. The last thing we're gonna be doing today will be the veggies for the fajitas. So let's get half an onion. So we have it like that. All right, the next thing we have will be a yellow pepper. Let's just clean it up. And the trick here will be to cut it more or less the same size that we cut the onions, so they all cook at the same temperature. We don't have any trouble on that. And of course, this is not gonna be a good Mexican fajitas if we don't cut a nice red pepper. Let's cut this baby off. Let's cut it right here. And let's take the seeds off. Let's just cut it as we did with the other pepper, keeping the same exact size, so they all cook at the same time. So we finally have all the ingredients ready here for our amazing fajitas. The only thing that we have left to do is to light up that grill and cook these babies up, and you'll see how good this is. Let's go.
Enchanté.
Well, Miss Ninja, what do you have to say about this? This is the real deal, okay?
I think that's a beautiful presentation.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
I love it.
Man,
Love it.
this is looking amazing, guys. And
Listen.
we have a lamp.
Are you gonna keep the pet on your shoulder?
What pet? Oh! I have a little bug here.
He has a pet on his shoulder.
Let go, bro!
Don't eat those things. Ew! Ew!
All right, Miss Ninja, we have these beautiful fajitas here. We have, I don't even know how to call it. It's a lemon sauce. It has a little bit of a kick in there, so you have to be careful with it. I
So
know
it's
you
spicy.
like, yeah, I know you like spicy, but it is a little spicy. And we have a fajita of, should I say it? Yeah, fajita of Wagyu and shrimp and veggies and those beautiful grilled lemons. It's lemon. Those are lemons.
Yeah, though.
There. And we have some tortillas here. So I think it's time to give it a good try. You want some
ready.
tortilla with it?
Oh yes, I'm ready for my dinner.
Oh, bravo. All right, Miss Ninja. So Are you ready for this one?
I'm more than ready, my dear.
Let's go.
I'm hungry. Mmm.
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 Wow. Mmm.
I love the sauce. It's different.
I told you.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime you're gonna do anything with seafood, remember, I'm gonna put the recipe down there in the description. You guys should check it out because it's real good. Miss Ninja, I think those fajitas are amazing.
Yes, they are.
I think these fajitas are good.
Yes,
I
they
think
are.
these fajitas are awesome. I think these fajitas are delicious, brother.
And sisters.
Man, these are good fajitas, guys. Let me just put this thing here.
Yes, they are. I love the sauce, let me tell you.
The sauce is amazing, guys. I mean, I'm pretty sure most of you guys have done fajitas before. This is the way that I really like it. I like to combine the seafood with the meat, and the flavors in there are always amazing. You know, it's like when you're eating how do you call the surf and turf?
Yes.
When you're eating a surf and turf, it's exactly the same thing. That Wagyu is crazy, guys. And I really have to thank Meet the Butchers for sending this to us. They sell it like that, just split into pieces, ready for fajita.
Oh, really?
And I think, I think what it is they just, you know, any extra things they have from Wagyu, they cut it up and sell it like that at a really good price. You guys should check it out. So the meat is amazing. The shrimps, any shrimp will work. The shrimps are crazy good.
I love shrimp.
The veggies are real good, and that sauce, guys.
It's a killer.
That sauce is a good one. Miss Ninja.
Home run.
You like that sauce, huh?
I love it. Because I love spicy food.
So this thing is getting cold in here, so we're gonna stop talking about the fajitas and let's talk about the shout out share.
Go ahead.
Check it.
Oh, you
check it. My
Check it.
tribute to Daddy Yankee.
There we go.
All right, Miss Ninja, it's your turn to get it. Who's the winner?
Let's see.
Who's the winner of the Magic Fajitas? Armando! What Armando is that?
He only put Armando in there.
There's a lot of Armandos, man.
So
Armando what?
Armando.
Armando Riches? Armando Problems? Armando what, man? No matter what.
I love it.
Armando, come over and try these fajitas, man. This is amazing, brother. We love it.
Yes.
And they are really good. And that sauce in there is a good sauce,
It
guys.
is good. And I love the molcajete.
So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit us with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like fajitas, I don't know what you're waiting for. There is a big red button down there. You see it? It's right underneath. Right there. Hit that thing and then hit the bell that pop up when you hit the red button, and she's gonna tell you why.
Because you will get notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload a new video for you guys.
Why is Miss Ninja?
Oh.
And if you have any comment, any idea, any suggestion, anything that you want to say about these amazing fajitas, put it down there in the comments, guys.
Yes.
That's all for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you, and let's do this and stay home and enjoy.
Oh, I forgot. Next week is gonna be the winner of the giveaway. So, guys, keep tuned. Next week, there's gonna be the winner.
Oh my God! Lucky you.
See ya.